Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error code when you cannot start the application on your PlayStation 4. And if you encounter this, what you want to do is go up to the top and then go on over to Settings and select this. Then go on down to Account Management. Then under here, we want to go to Restore Licenses. If you become unable to use content you download from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. So just go to this section right here, and it should only take about 3 to 5 minutes to complete, but you should be able to play your game. Now if that doesn't work, you can go to Activate as Primary on your PS4. You could try activating it right here to see if that helps your issue as well. Also, you could delete the application. So if I were to go to Quake, I could try deleting it and re-downloading it. Or there's another thing I could try doing. Without deleting, I can go to Settings, and then I can go to Application Save Data Management right here. Then go to Save Data in System Storage. And then I can go to Delete right here. And then I can delete the saved data off my PlayStation 4. So if you have PlayStation Plus, you could try this out. If you don't, you're going to have to copy over to like a USB drive. So here's Quake. I'm going to go to it and select it. Then delete this. And what I could do is download it from the cloud storage now. So if I back out, I can go to Save Data in Online Storage now. So if you don't have PlayStation Plus, you won't have this as an option. So download to System Storage now. And here it is. So let's select it and download it back to my PlayStation. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.